Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup of beef. First, select about 2 pounds of stew beef or chuck roast, cutting it into 1-inch cubes. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Sear the beef in batches until it's beautifully browned on all sides. This step is crucial for developing a rich, deep flavor in your soup, locking in all those delicious juices before adding liquids. After searing, remove the beef and add 1 chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks to the pot. Sauté these vegetables until they soften, about 5 to 7 minutes. Return the beef to the pot, then pour in 6 cups of beef broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer gently for at least 1 hour. Now it's time to enhance the flavor. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Stir in 1 cup of chopped potatoes and 1/2 cup of frozen peas. Continue to simmer the soup for another 30 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender and all the flavors have melded beautifully. Remove the bay leaves before serving. Your delicious, homemade beef soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls, garnish with some fresh parsley, and serve hot with a side of crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. This easy method yields approximately 8 generous servings, perfect for a family dinner or meal prepping. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to stay refreshed while you're cooking or on the go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.